So we purchased an LG washing machine. We got ours from Home Depot and it cost us about $770 when it was all said and done. That included installation and removal of the old one that broke that we had. So I've been playing around with the different settings today, and I've already done some pretty much just deep wash loads. Sometimes the spin setting will switch to high if you're on a bulkier type load and you only had it on medium. I did select on this one, so the deep wash was the one that let me select the deep fill button right here. I had to push and hold that for 3 seconds before it could start. I tried it on the bedding setting and it wouldn't let me do it then, but on deep wash it did. It said it doesn't do it on the normal setting. So I'm washing a comforter right now, and this, you can see that the water is fully to the top of the tub, whereas when I did a few blankets before, I was just doing it on the deep wash, and it did get them clean. It didn't use as much water, and I did like 3 throw blankets, those fuzzy lap kind, and they didn't really fill up the tub as much as a queen size comforter like this. So I didn't have to have extra water, but I Googled it on this one because I wanted to know how much, like I wanted to know that it was getting washed and well rinsed. So pretty much I have not tried like full hot or cold settings. I've only washed on warm, and I think it actually fills the rinse with cold. I'm not sure because it's not steaming up the glass when it does the rinse, so I'll have to look into that. But so it has the temperature you can pick, the spin cycle you can pick. Bulky things you definitely want it on high, or for towels you want it on high. For soil, I've only tried normal so far. Well, I did a load before this one, I did heavy, and I was doing like floor rugs and bath mats that we had some dog food on, so those had stains, and I'll show you. Actually, those came out really nice. They're right here. They came out super clean, and these had like dirt and food stains crusted on them before, so I was super happy about that. And everything has been coming out smelling really good. I will have to check later. I'm gonna do some clothes and make sure that I don't get itchy in the clothes. Sorry, our water softener decided to recycle. So overall, this is a really cool washer, worth its money. It does adjust the time up here, and after it did the deep fill on this cycle, that button I see, or the light, did go off. So it says the status light's right up at the top here. So it'll tell you what it's currently on when it's doing it. So that button will stop flashing, and then it'll go to rinse and then spin, and the timer does count down all the way down to the end of the load, and then it sings a very pretty song at the end for you. So hopefully this is helpful for somebody so they don't have to do as much research as I did. Bye.